Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find receipt on Walmart. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Walmart application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Walmart application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for account. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for purchase history. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for view all. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the purchase history. You can also search your purchases if you want. Simply tap on the search bar and enter the purchase that you want to search for. After that, you'll be able to see the result. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the purchase that you would like to find the receipt of. Now you'll be able to find the details regarding that particular purchase over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for view receipt details. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to view the receipt details over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the receipt. So that is how you find receipt on Walmart. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.